Across New South Wales, there are many different types of waste services delivered to the local community. Have you ever wondered where your waste and recycling goes and what happens to it once it's picked up from your curbside? This is the Mosman Story. The average Mosman household recycles approximately 4.6 kilograms per week, or 240 kilograms per year. This means that collectively, Mosman households have the potential to recycle around 3,000 tonnes of metal, glass and plastic bottles and containers every year. Did you know that making products from recycled plastics instead of raw materials reduces water usage by 90%, carbon dioxide by 2.5 tonnes and energy consumption by 2/3? The following items can be recycled in your yellow lidded recycling bin: plastic bottles, glass bottles, milk and juice cartons, plastic containers, and aluminium and steel cans. Whilst containers do not need to be squeaky clean, all containers must be emptied of food scraps and liquids. Please be aware that plastic bags cannot be placed in your curbside recycling bin. Plastic bags in your recycling bin will contaminate your recyclables, meaning that there is a high risk that all of the items in your recycling bin will be disposed of to landfill. If you are using a plastic bag to carry your recycling to your bin, remember to tip the recycling into the bin from the bag and either take your plastic bag back inside for reuse or dispose of it in the red-lidded garbage bin. Better yet, why not carry your recyclables to and from your bin in a reusable bag or rigid container? Once collected from your bin, your recyclables are transported by the recycling truck to the Kinbrookie Resource Recovery Centre at Terry Hills. Here they are tipped from the recycling truck into storage bays. Machinery such as a small loader is used to move the waste from the storage bay into the back of a large truck, which transports the recycling to the sorting facility. The recyclables are tipped into piles and fed onto a conveyor belt for sorting. Plastics move through auto-sort machines where infrared sensors and compressed air sort the plastics into different streams. The plastics are sent into an automated baler where they are baled and stored ready for transport to a plastics processor to be shredded, melted and cooled and chopped into pellets or granules, which are spun into fibres to make new products. Plastics are recycled into new products, including bottles and containers, shopping bags, sleeping bags, carpet, furniture and clothing such as fleece jackets. 25 recycled PET bottles can be used to make one adult fleece jacket. Approximately 125 recycled plastic milk bottles can manufacture a new 140-litre wheelie bin. Steel cans are picked up by large magnets and separated. The aluminium cans, which are not magnetic, are passed through a current to produce a magnetic effect, which picks up the aluminium. The metals are sent to an automated baler, where they are baled and then stored ready for transport to a smelter, where they will be shredded and heated to form a liquid, which is moulded into ingots and flattened into sheets to make new products. Aluminium cans are turned back into new cans or used to make items such as bicycles. Glass is sorted based on colour and separated into different piles where it is then crushed to form a product known as cullet. The cullet is cleaned and contaminants removed. This product can be sold as is for manufacturing or can be crushed again and melted for remoulding. Glass can be used in road base, bricks, fiberglass insulation or moulded to make new bottles and jars. Council and the Mosman community can work together to reduce waste to landfill by wasting less and recycling more. The motto of the Mosman Story? Avoid, reduce, reuse and recycle before disposal. Your action makes a difference.